Alright, I'm back with the manger and the side pieces. Get some glue here. Okay, I want the texture on the outside of the manger. So we're putting the glue on the inside. Just going to be liberal with it because I didn't glue the other part down. Okay, push it in there. A little bit of spray. I kind of cut out that little triangle in there because it seemed to work better, and I like it the way it looks that way too, so that's how it is. So the other side. Okay, and here's baby Jesus. So you can put him in the manger just like that. And then all these pieces, you kind of have to position them in here to make them fit right. So camel, I mean, it doesn't have to be exact or anything, but if you throw them in, they don't all fit. Okay, now the manger's taller, so I'll put that in here, and the star maybe here. All right, and close it up. Latch it, and there we are. There's one thing I forgot to tell you, forgot to show you. So when you get these pieces, here's another set, there's burn marks on them. So you want to wash those off. Oh, I forgot little sheepy. Okay, so I just take a microfiber cloth. Some people use a magic eraser, but I don't like it because it's crumbly. Microfiber, get it wet, wring it out, and just wipe them off. And you'll see that the burn marks, you'll see them come off on your washcloth. And when they dry, it will just be nice and, you know, it will brighten up. They'll disappear a lot better when it's dry. Oops, kind of messy there. So you'll want to do that to all of your pieces first. All right, well, I hope you have a really fun time building this and putting it in your house and painting it if you choose. Okay, enjoy.